And what band is coming up?
Go to band.
Go to band.
Go to
What?
build it, and the band shall come.
And now they're going to tell me that a band is coming on. I don't know what band it is, but they're going to tell me.
We have a host in training right now. We're training her right now. She's going to be an excellent host in about 30 seconds. Right now, we're going to go back to Captain Tom. All right, playing another song.
And Craig, on the next song, I Saw a Bird.
Excellent.
I saw a bird.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Tom.
Hello. Woo! All right, come on. Donate. Woo! All right. This next song is called I Saw a Bird. Woo. I saw a bird at the zoo. He said to me, cuckoo, cuckoo, fluttered his wings and began to fly. I was so happy I began to cry. I loosened my tie and let out a sigh. Oh my, I'm at the zoo, gonna undo you. I saw a cow at the zoo. He said to me, moo, 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 moo. Shook his neck and his cowbell rang. The milk was delicious and I had a glass. Laughed so hard I nearly broke my. Oh my, I'm at the zoo, got nothing to do, you. I saw a deer at the zoo. She said to me, Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Raised her paw, she stood up straight and tall. I puckered my lips and I blew her a kiss. I'm not in heaven, but I found perfect bliss. Oh my, I'm at the zoo, got nothing to do. I saw a beaver at the zoo. He said to me, choo, 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 choo. He looked at the water and he jumped right in. I didn't have my swim trunks, but I wish I did. So I took them awesome little kid. Oh my, I'm at the zoo, got nothing to do, you. I saw an elephant at the zoo. He said to me, woo, woo, woo. Threw him a peanut and he slurped it right up. He looked at me, he wanted some more. Think I just heard the lions roar. Oh my, I'm at the zoo, got nothing to do, and I'm happy. I'm at the zoo, got nothing to do, and I'm happy. I'm at the zoo, got nothing to do. Yoo-hoo. Thank you. That was I Saw a Bird. Hey, Craig, did